കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ എല്ലാവർക്കും? ഹായ്, കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നവരൊന്ന് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമോ? Can everybody see this one? Right. Hi. Right. Hi everybody. കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ എല്ലാവർക്കും? Right. So this is top MCQs on geometry. This is a brand new class on our topic, that is geometry. We will be discussing nothing but geometry, and this is as a part of mission RRB NTPC. ഈ ഒരു ക്ലാസ് NTPC ക്ക് മാത്രമല്ല, it's not only for RRB NTPC. You can utilize this class for your SSC CGL as well as many other competitive examinations. You can utilize this course. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ഒരു കോഴ്സ് മറ്റ് പല കോഴ്സസിനും വേണ്ടി എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. RRB NTPC SSC CGL പോലുള്ള എല്ലാ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് കോഴ്സസിനും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് യൂട്ടിലൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ആൻഡ് ഫോർ മൈസെൽഫ്, my name is Unnikrishnan. I am one of the top verified educator on Unacademy who is handling classes on Unacademy Plus as well as on offline courses. Unacademy Plus-ലും ഓഫ്ലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലും റെയിൽവേ കാറ്റഗറിയുടെ ഓഫ്ലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ ക്ലാസ്സസ് കാണാം. ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് യു വിഷ് ടു ജോയിൻ Unacademy Plus, ആർക്കെങ്കിലും Unacademy Plus-ൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ താല്പര്യമുള്ളവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ യൂസ് ദ റെഫറൽ കോഡ് UKRISHNAN54, UKRISHNAN54. യെസ് മുഹമ്മദ് ദാനിഷ്, യെസ് ഹായ്. And my classes will be in 2 languages, that is English and Malayalam. So how many of you wanted to crack RRB NTPC? Say it with a bang that you wanted to crack RRB NTPC. എത്ര പേർക്ക് RRB NTPC ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യണം? എത്ര പേർക്ക് SSC CGL റാങ്ക് ലിസ്റ്റിൽ വരണം? ഒരു പെർഫെക്റ്റ് കോൺഫിഡൻസ് കൂടി ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ. Yes, Sriram Yadav, yes. So those who wanted to crack RRB NTPC, follow us. We will make sure that you can crack RRB NTPC. Trust in Unacademy, we can do so. So let me just ask you some important questions. ഞാൻ ചില questions നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത് ചോദിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു. How can you define a point in geometry? Yes, Muhammad Danish. Yes, everybody. Make that fire new. Please tell me why you need that job. Before every classes, ask yourself, നിങ്ങളോട് തന്നെ ചോദിക്കുക, why you need this RRB NTPC. Then only I am from Kerala, Muhammad Danish. I don't know Hindi. My Hindi is very poor. So point. How can you define a point? A point is a circle of 0 radius. That is the basic definition you should understand. If you consider a point, നമ്മൾ ഒരു point consider ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, what will be a circle? A circle എന്താണ്? Circle is something with a radius r. Radius can be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter ആവാം, 3 centimeter ആവാം, 4 centimeter ആവാം. Any kind of value, it can be radius. But when the radius becomes 0, radius is 0, there we have a point that is called as a point. A point is nothing but a radius 0. Radius 0 ആയിട്ടുള്ള സർക്കിളിനെ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് എന്ത്? point. If so, let me just ask you, only English teaching? Yes, only mostly English, but if somebody wanted to take in Malayalam also, you can see this. Okay. Second one, what is line? If I have a point, എനിക്കൊരു point ഉണ്ട്, this is a point, and if I move this line to a particular direction, ഞാൻ ഒരു particular directionലേക്ക് I am moving this particular line, then particular point, then we can say that there we have something called as line. അവിടെ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം? അവിടെ എനിക്കൊരു ലൈൻ ഉണ്ട്. There we have a line. So mostly it's not only in only one direction, no fixed directions. It can be taken to reverse direction also. Reverse directionലും നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഇതിനെ മൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. If we can move the point into any directions, there we get a line. നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ഒരു ലൈൻ കിട്ടുന്നു. If so, how many different types of lines you know? Lines are divided into two categories. What are they? What are the two important categories of line? What are the two important categories of line? Anybody? Yes, first one നമുക്ക് അവിടെ straight line ഉണ്ട്. Straight line. Second one we have curved line. Straight line as well as curved line. Yes, Krishnadas, I got your question, but unfortunately I was busy today. You do one thing. The question is simple. NTPC, everybody is having same question paper. Okay. Everybody is having same question paper. Yes. Straight line as well as curved line. So what is straight line? Yes, no problem, Mohammed Danish. I can talk in English as well as Hindi, in English and Malayalam. If somebody wanted to understand in Malayalam, there only I will be using Malayalam. Okay. Straight line. What is a straight line? A straight line is something. Straight line is something. Yes. Straight line is something if 2 points are on shorter distance. If I have a point over here, എനിക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഒരു point ഉണ്ട്, and I am having another point over here. ഇവർ തമ്മിലുള്ള distance, the distance between these two, if it is the shortest distance, then that is considered as a straight line. Very basic definition. The distance, if the 2 points are on shorter distance, then their joints, the joint between these 2 points, എനിക്ക് ഈ ഒരു പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഈ ഒരു പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് വരുന്ന jointed line നെ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് എന്ത്? Straight line. It is called as straight line. Cut off. Before moving to that, let me just give you a quick analysis of RRB NTPC examination. Somebody has asked me about RRB NTPC. RRB NTPC, there are two types of posters. Posters where the +2 is an education qualification. 12th class education qualification ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന പോസ്റ്റും, and the next one graduate as the education qualification. So if you score good marks and if you are in graduate post, you will be getting graduate exams, graduate posts. And if you clear the cut off of 12th standard, നിങ്ങൾ 12th ക്ലാസ്സുകാരുടെ പോസ്റ്റിന് വരുന്ന കട്ട് ഓഫ് ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഒരു പോസ്റ്റ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടും. You will be getting the post where you clear the cutoff of 12th standard. So that's how it will be taking up. Right. So straight line, 2 points ആണ്, 2 points ഉണ്ട്. On a shorter distance, it will be between A and B. If this is A, this is B. What will be curved line? A very important question. How can you define a curved line? Anybody? What do you mean by curved line? Take your own time. Define what do you mean by curved line. Can this be a curved line? ഇതൊരു curved line ആണോ? Is this a curved line? If this is a curved line, out of 3, which one is a curved line? തന്നിട്ടുള്ളതിൽ ഏതാണ് curved line? Tell me, which one is a curved line? Yes, Muhammad Danish, no problem. Very good decision. Which one is a curved line? If you comment, then only we can move forward. Comment. Yes, it is nothing but B is a curved line, C is a curved line. Very good. B and C are curved lines. So, no problem. You understand what is curved line. Next one, question. What do you mean by length of a line? എന്താണ് ഒരു ലൈനിന്റെ ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? What do you mean by length of a line? Tell me. If there is no end point ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു ലൈൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ, yes, it is but cut. Yes, end point ഇല്ലാത്ത ഒരു ലൈൻ ആണ്. If there is no end point on a line, what will be the length of that line? Will it be 0 or infinity? What will be the length of the line? It will be 0 or infinity. എന്തായിരിക്കും? It will be infinity. If there is no end point, there is only one point here and it is continuously going on. Will it be an line with a 0 centimeter line? No, it is infinity line. Distance between two endpoints. Very good. Yes. No. Next one. What do you mean by the line segment? If you are clear with the line, നമുക്ക് ലൈൻ എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് ലൈൻ സെഗ്മെന്റ്? How can you find out? How can you define line segment? If I have a line, നമുക്കൊരു ലൈൻ ഉണ്ട് and there are two endpoints A and B. If there is end point is there, end point ഉണ്ട്, then we can say AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. Yes, it is nothing but line segment. Very good. It is line segment. So line, length of a line, if there is no end points, we can say it as an infinity line. Circle number send me. What is that? Then what about line segment? Line segment, if there are two end points and this end points will be constituting what? A line segment. Right? So let me just ask you the next one. What do you mean by types of lines? What are the different types of lines you know? Say one by one. You want to join my Telegram group? Yes guys, you can always join my Telegram group, Ultimate Classroom. This is my Telegram group, ULTIMATECLASSRWM. You can join me there. So what do you mean by types of lines? Obviously we have what? Parallel line. നമുക്ക് എന്തുണ്ട്? Parallel lines is there. Second one, നമുക്ക് transverse lines ഉണ്ട്. What do you mean by transverse line? We will be discussing. Third one, intersecting lines. Third one is intersecting lines. मुझे हिंदी नहीं मालूम रॉकस्टार अजीत कुमार, मैं केरला से आया हूँ, so मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा difficult है, so please adjust. I know this much of Hindi. I know this much of Hindi only. That's it. Sorry. So fourth one, what do you mean by concurrent lines? So first one, parallel lines. Let me just ask you, if there are two lines, A as well as B, AB as well as CD. If this is 10 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter, distance between these two are same, will it be a parallel line? Will it be a parallel line? Yes, this is a parallel line. So what does it indicate? Distance between two lines. Distance between two lines are always constant. അത് എപ്പോഴും constant ആയിരിക്കും. രണ്ട് ലൈൻസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ടു ലൈൻസ്, വെദർ ഇറ്റ് ബി എ ബി ഓർ സി ഡി, എ ബി ആയിക്കോട്ടെ സി ഡി ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ഓൾവേസ് ബി കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ്. Right? So what about the next one, that is parallel lines? What about the next one? We have transverse lines. So is this a parallel line or a transverse line? Or this is a transverse line or a parallel line? Which one is parallel and transverse? A and B. Which one is parallel line or transverse line? Tell me, which one is parallel line or transverse line? No problem, here the distance is same, h. Here also the distance is same. ഇതിൽ രണ്ടിലും എന്താണ് പാരലൽ ലൈൻ ഏതാണ് ട്രാൻസ്വേഴ്സ് ലൈൻ അതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ രണ്ടും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എയും ബിയും തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്, ദ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ എ ആൻഡ് ബി, h is constant. h എന്താണ്? കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ആണ്. So it is what? Nothing but a parallel line. It will be a parallel line. So what will be transverse line? If this is h, or let me say 10 centimeter, what will be this value? It will be 5 centimeter. What will be this value? This will be 1 centimeter. So we can say distance between two lines are not same. Distance between two lines are not same. രണ്ട് ലൈൻസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് സെയിം അല്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം? അതൊരു ട്രാൻസ്വേഴ്സ് ലൈൻ. വെരി വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്, പാരലൽ ലൈൻ, ട്രാൻസ്വേഴ്സ് ലൈൻ. സോ തേർഡ് വൺ is nothing but intersecting lines. മൂന്നാമത്തതാണ് intersecting lines. As the name indicates, നമ്മുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഹെഡിങ്ങിൽ പറയുന്നത് പോലെ, what do you mean by intersecting lines? Joining lines, connecting lines. So in a common point എന്ത് വരുന്നുണ്ട്? ഇത് intersect ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. There will be an intersection at the common point. That kind of lines, if they intersect on a common point, intersect at common point, then we can say it is a intersecting line. So if there is a common point, നമുക്കൊരു common point ഉണ്ട്, ആ common point രണ്ട് ലൈൻസ് എ ബി and CD എന്ന് പറയുന്ന two lines, if they are intersecting, then we can say that that is an intersecting line. So the fourth one, it is concurrent lines. It is concurrent lines. So what is the difference between എന്താണ് intersecting ലൈനും concurrent lines തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ്? Intersecting lines means two lines intersect at a point. Two lines intersect at a common point. So what is concurrent line? Who can tell me what is concurrent line? Tell me. Anybody out there, tell me what is concurrent lines? So the concurrent line means if two lines are meeting, that is an intersection line. But more than two lines intersect at a common point or a single point, that is called as concurrent lines. More than two lines, this is the underlying thing. This is the main thing. More than two lines, it will be intersecting, then that particular point is called as what? Concurrent lines, right? Concurrent lines. So four types of lines we have discussed. First one, parallel line, constant. Second one, we have discussed about transverse lines, not constant. Third one, നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു എന്താണ്? Intersecting lines, common point, two line. Fourth one, concurrent lines. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു, we have discussed concurrent lines, common point but more than two lines, right? So what do you mean by, the next important thing is that, what do you mean by angle? A very simple question. What do you mean by angles? Angles. Angles, if I have a line, എനിക്കൊരു line ഉണ്ട് എ ബി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു ലൈൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ the slope made between AB and AD, the slope made between two lines is called as angle. It is the slope between two angles. Simple definition, it is slope between two angles. So what are the four different types of angles? One by one. Angles, four important types. Tell me, what do you mean by acute angle? Second one, right angle. Third one, obtuse angle. Fourth one, reflex angle. Reflex angle, very very important. Take it from me, this is very very important. Reflex angle, everybody know, നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം acute angle എന്താ, right angle എന്താ, obtuse angle എന്താ. You got 10 seconds, 10 സെക്കൻഡ് ഞാൻ തരാം, ഓരോന്നായിട്ട് പറയാം. You should tell me one by one. What is acute angle? What is right angle? What is obtuse angle? What is reflex angle? Acute angle എന്താണ്, right angle എന്താണ്, obtuse angle എന്താണ്, reflex angle എന്താണ്? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Good. So acute angle, as the name indicates, 0ക്കും theta 90 ഡിഗ്രിക്കും ഇടയിലാണ് ആംഗിൾ എങ്കിൽ that is called as acute angle. Right angle എന്താണ്, theta is approximately equal to 90 degree. If this is 90 degree. This is acute angle. Obtuse angle, theta greater than 90 degree. Very good. So my question, what is this one? Reflex angle. Reflex angle, who can tell me about reflex angle? Anybody? Reflex angle, anybody? 90 is right angle. Very good, rockstar Ajit Kumar. Very good, Nani. What is reflex angle? Anybody? So reflex angle means if theta value is between 180 degree and 360 degree, then that is called as reflex angle. If theta value is between 180 degree and 360 degree, that is called as reflex angle. Take it, very very important. So if I have a thing like that, if this is the angle that I made, ABC, this is approximately 45 degree. So once you consider it fully, നമ്മൾ അത് full ആയിട്ട് consider ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ, once you consider it fully, what is the total angle? It is 360 degree. So what should be the reflex angle? Reflex angle എന്തായിരിക്കും? It is 360 minus 45, that is 35, right? 335 degree. That will be called a reflex angle. Very very important. Reflex angle 360 minus 45, that will be 335 degree. So if you are clear, let me just ask you types of angles. What are the different types of angles that you know? നമുക്കറിയാവുന്ന what all different types of, how can it be for 316 degree Sheetal face? 360, yeah, 360 minus 4, yes it is, right, sorry. So I thought it is 380, sorry, I thought it is 380, so right, 360, yeah, 315, right, 315 degree, fine. Sorry, once again, sorry from my side, I thought it is 180, then there was a small misunderstanding, right? So types of angles is very important. First one, complementary angle. Second one, supplementary angle. supplementary angle. Third one, linear pair angle. Fourth one, adjacent angle. Fifth one, vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. So tell me one by one, what do you mean by complementary angle? എന്താണ് complementary angle? എന്താണ് supplementary angle? What do you mean by linear pair angles? What do you mean by adjacent angles? What do you mean by vertical opposite angles? Simple ones. Take it from me, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ പറ്റിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, if you can clear this part, types of angles, clear, you can definitely score full marks on line questions. Line base ചെയ്ത് ഏത് question വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും you can definitely mark full marks. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. So suppose I have two angles, x and y, two angles, any two angles, if the sum of these two is, if it is 90 or 180 degree, sum of two angles is 90 degree, then we can say it as complementary angle. Complementary angle. X plus y is equal to 90 degree, then we can call it as complementary angle. Second one, supplementary angle. Very important. Supplementary angle. Sum of angles x ഇന്റെയും y യുടെയും sum 180 degree ആണെങ്കിൽ, if x plus y angle sum is 180 degree, then that is called as supplementary angle. It is called as supplementary angle. So what is the difference between supplementary and a linear pair? Third one, linear pair angle. Very important. It is linear pair angle. Here also, alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degree, then that is called as linear pair angle. For example, നമുക്കൊരു example നോക്കാം. If this is a straight line, A, B, C is a straight line and BD is another line. It is making an angle what? 60 degree. 60 degree. So what will be this value? ഇത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? 120 degree. So 120 plus 60 is considered as what? 120, 60. 120 60 എന്തായിട്ട് consider ചെയ്യും? We can consider it as linear pair angles. But എങ്ങനെയാണ് supplementary angle linear pair angle തമ്മിൽ difference വരുന്നത്? How we can differentiate between supplementary angle, linear pair angle? These angles 120 and 60 can be what? Linear pair angle as well as supplementary. Both are right. X is equal to 120, y is equal to 60. Both are supplementary angles, no problem. But if this is the question, A, B, C, D, E. This is 20, this is 100, this is 80 degree. Will it be a supplementary angle? Supplementary angle? No, it cannot be supplementary angle. ഇത് supplementary angle ആവത്തില്ല. It cannot be supplementary angle, right? But it can be linear pair angles. It can be linear pair angles. Linear pair angles, right? So linear pair angles means it can be 20 degree, it can be 100 degree as well as 80 degree. It is the sum of 20 plus 100 plus 80. Then these three angles are what? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Right. So next one, it is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. If I have a condition, നമുക്കൊരു condition ഉണ്ട് AB is parallel to CD. Very important, AB is parallel to CD. So if I have a line, നമുക്കൊരു line ഉണ്ട് AC. Then AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to AC and CD is parallel to what? AB. AB is parallel to CD. So the most important thing, take it from me, the most important thing is here, this angle plus this angle, alpha plus beta, then that is called as alpha plus beta is called as 180 degree. That is called as adjacent angles. If the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree, then that is called as adjacent angles. R and angles in the sum 180 degree angle. If the angle sum is 180 degree, then that is called as what? Adjacent angles. Next important one, vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. What is vertical opposite angles? Anybody? You have 10 seconds. Once again 10 seconds on the vertical opposite angles എന്താണ് പറയാൻ? Just tell me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I have two intersecting lines, then this angle will be equal to what? This angle. A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Angle A will be equal to angle B. Then that is called as vertical opposite angles. Angle A is equal to angle B. Right? Yes. Very good. Now, the question is, if I have two lines, one, 2, and one more thing. Yeah, one more is needed, right? Three, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first question, what is corresponding angles here? Comment one by one. ഓരോന്നായിട്ട് comment ചെയ്യുക. What are corresponding angles? What are alternate angles? Tell me. Corresponding angles and alternate. Very good. Sheetal face. Very good. So what is the question? Corresponding angle as well as alternate angle. Right. So corresponding angles means this one, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3. They are called as corresponding angles. First case. Second case, it is angle 12 is equal to angle 10 is equal to angle 11. They are also what? Corresponding angles. Right. 1, 2, 3. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3 are corresponding. 12, 11, 10 are also corresponding angles. No problem. Everybody know. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are what? Corresponding angles. 12, 11, 10. These are also what? Corresponding angles. So what is alternate angles? Alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. 12, 11, 8 corresponding. 12, 11, 10. Very good. 12, 11, 10 it is corresponding. Very good. So what is alternate interior and alternate exterior angles? Tell me. Alternate interior and alternate exterior angles. So exterior angles, angle 1, this one and this one. If you consider this one and the last outside angle, angle 1, angle 7. Angle 1 ഉം angle 7 ഉം പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് എന്ത്? Alternate exterior angles. It is angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Then what is alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles. Anybody? 111 or 17 are alternate, not 1 alternate interior angles, exterior angles to the face. Yes. So what is the next one? Alternate interior angles. It is angle 4, angle 10. Very good. This one and this one are also called what? Alternate interior angles. So what is angle 2 and angle 4? Angle 2 and angle 4. This one, angle 2 and angle 4. Angle 5, angle 3. They are called as adjacent angles. They are called as adjacent angles. Right. Angle 2 here, 1, 2, 3, yes. Then 4, 5, 6, right. These two angles, angle 2 as well as angle 4 are called as adjacent angles. Then angle 3 and angle 5, where is 5? Yes, this one is 5. These two are also called as adjacent angles. So once you consider, we can say that angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to what? Angle 5 plus 3. We have already discussed adjacent angles, sum will be equal to what? 180 degree. If we have two angles, നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് angles ഉണ്ട്, then we can say the sum will be equal to 180 degree. Can you ask questions? Yes, I'll be asking just the basics only right now. I'll be asking questions also. No problem, I will be asking some questions on the upcoming class. Today we will be discussing the lines basics. After that, I'll be asking questions. Okay. Right. So the next one, this will also be equal to what? 180 degree. So the next one, what is the relation between the units of angles? Units of angles. That is nothing but degree, radian and grade. Very, very important. Most of the times you can expect a question. നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും ഈ ഒരു question expect ചെയ്യാം. Vibul Sharma, yes Vibul, thank you. What is 1 degree equal to, 1 degree equal to, what is 1 radian is equal to? Tell me. What is 1 grade is equal to? Anybody? Who will be telling this answer first? What is 1 degree? What is 1 radian? What is 1 grade? One degree is equal to nothing but pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Then what is 1 radian? Simply you can say it is 180 divided by pi. So the shortcut you can remember. How can you remember? നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇത് remember ചെയ്യാം? 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. 1 degree, you have d here. It is pi. So p. So dp. Degree is equal to p divided by 180. dp means display peak. So you can remember it there. So if you can remember this value d is equal to pi by 180, what is 1 radian then? Radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. Radian 80 t rate as well as 1 radian is equal to 80 divided by pi. So rate is the shortcut word you should study. dp is the shortcut word you should study here. Everybody know, എനിക്കും അറിയാം നിങ്ങൾക്കും അറിയാം 1 degree എന്താണ്. 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 degree. So what is 1 radian? 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. So who can tell me how much is in terms of degree? Actually, how much is degree? Degree is nothing but 57 degree 17 minute 14 second. Very important. 57 degree 17 minute 14 second. That is the radian degree conversion. 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 17 minute 14 second. Now if that is the question, let me just ask you a question. The question is, what is 1 grade then? What is 1 grade? Anybody? Right. What is 1 grade? 1 grade is equal to 100 degree. 1 grade is equal to 100 degree. Very important section. 1 grade is equal to 100 degree. Then what is 1 degree? It is 1 by 100 grade. So without any doubt, what is 360 degree? It is 3.6 grade. It is 3.6 grade. 1 grade എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 100 ഡിഗ്രി ആണ്. 1 ഡിഗ്രി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 by 100 grade ആണെങ്കിൽ 360 degree is equal to 3.6 grade. 360 degree is equal to 3.6 grade. So this is all about the basics of line. Line basics we have today cleared. So let me just ask you one question here. A simple question. What is the value of angle which is 3 times its supplementary angle? Tell me. What is the value of angle if it is 3 times its supplementary angle? Anybody? Make it fast. On the meantime, let me just talk some questions for you guys. Let me just ask some questions for you. Simple questions. Right. So the question is, alpha, if I consider alpha, that will be is equal to, alpha plus beta is what? 180 degree. നമുക്കറിയാം alpha plus beta 180 degree ആണ്. കാരണം എന്താണ്? ഇത് supplementary angle ആണ്. So what will be beta? Beta is equal to 3 alpha. So alpha plus 3 alpha, you will be getting 180. 4 alpha is equal to 180. Alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Simple question. The next question. This is a triangle based question that I planned for today. I am not asking it today. Okay. Right. The question, what is x here? Find out what is x here. Second question, what is angle BOC? Tell me. Tell me. Anybody? Right. So the time up. Let's do this question. Question is, what is x value? Simple. It is 5x plus 12 plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. So 8x is equal to 168. X will be equal to 21 degree. Simple. But this one is not that simple. Here it is 31. What is the value? Right. So let me see the question once again. Yes, it is 31 degree. This value 31 degree ആണ്. ഇതെന്താണ് 40 degree. This one is 40 degree. So you were asked about what will be BOC. So what will be this much value? That is the question. So how can you do this problem? Simple one. If 40, ഇത് 40 ആണ്, ഇത് 31 ആണെങ്കിൽ what will be this value? അത് 180 minus 40 plus 31 ആയിരിക്കും. It will be 180 minus 40 plus 31. So what will be that value? It is nothing but 109 degree. It is 109 degree. അതെന്താണ് 109. If that is 109, what will be this one? That is also 109 degree because it is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now, then, yes, then what will be this value? FOB, this value will be the opposite of this one, 41, because that is also vertically opposite angle. So your question is, what will be this value? Sorry, I'll be taking a new page here. What will be this value? That is BOC value. BOC value. On the meantime, you got 109 here, you got 41 here. That is nothing but you will be getting 140. Sorry, 109. Yes, 40. Yes, it is 40 degree. 40 degree. Yes, 149 degree. That will be your answer. Any doubts? Any doubts so far? So I have a homework question. There is a homework question. Find out and tell me the answer over here also, or on my Telegram group Ultimate Classroom you can find this answer. You can post this answer. Post this answer here. PQRSML. ഈ ആംഗിൾ 155 degree ആണ്. This is 30 degree and this is x degree and this one. So what is PQ is parallel to LM is parallel to RS. Find angle LRS. Find angle LRS. Options you have 25 degree, second one 55 degree, third one 65 degree, fourth one 75 degree. Find this question. This is an important question. SSC CGL repeated question. Please find out. ഇതൊന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. For next class, from the next class, after that we will be continuing with this kind of questions, that is triangles. First basics, നമ്മൾ first triangles in the basics cover ചെയ്യും. Different properties are there, so many properties are there. One by one we will be covering. നമ്മൾ one by one ആയിട്ട് cover ചെയ്യും. എന്നിട്ട് ഇതിന്റെ questions ചെയ്യാൻ ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ട്. First of all, if you like my classes, just like it, rate and review. Like, share and comment, and most importantly subscribe. And also you can find me at Ultimate Classroom. That is a Telegram group. So shall I bid you goodbye right now? Anything else? Anything you guys wanted to ask me? Right. So it's a goodbye right now. We'll be making up the things once again on the next class. So once again, thank you and have a great day ahead. Thank you. എല്ലാ മലയാളികൾക്കും മലയാളത്തിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. മലയാളത്തിലും ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും ആയിരിക്കും ക്ലാസ്സസ്. The classes will be in both English as well as Malayalam. If anybody is feeling any difficulty, you can ask me personally. I can help you out. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് personally ക്ലാസ് എടുത്ത് തരാൻ തയ്യാറാണ്. So right, thank you guys and have a great day ahead. Thank you.